beach to sodium orange, 2 pumps stand on empty. I'm a moth, I learn your frequency, circling this canopy. A rusted teal truck idles low, engine hums a weary tune underneath this fading moon. Driver rolls the window down, doesn't kill the engine sound, just a breath of desert air, he doesn't seem to care. Nothing closes at the last pump, sign keeps buzzing, a steady thump. This lonely light, it holds its ground, no one's leaving this dead town. Radio crackles a distant song, drifting through the open pane. I'm drawn to where I don't belong in this sweet blue hour rain. Your pickup's taillights catch the slick, a cooling tear upon the ground. My tiny world, it spins around. Driver rolls the window down, doesn't kill the engine sound, just a breath of desert air, he doesn't seem to care. Nothing closes at the last pump, sign keeps buzzing, a steady thump. This lonely light, it holds its ground, no one's leaving this dead town. The pump clicks off a final sigh, but the light, it holds me high. I don't need to fly away, I'll just stay here till the day. Keeps buzzing, a steady thump. This lonely light, it holds its ground, no one's leaving this dead town. And the moth and engine share a beat on this empty, endless street.